An ignorant person prefers debate to conversation and turns against you when that doesn't produce an answer. Have the courage to live your true life and not the life others accept you. To live a smile from you can soothe a depressed heart. Pack only what you can carry yourself. Life is a mirror. If you look at it with disgust, you will become disgusted. If you look at smiling, you will continue to smile. Try to be man you want your daughter to marry. A long thread always tangles and a long tongue always tangles, so always rub both. If you want to know what a man is like, look at how he treats his inferiors and not his equals. If you want comforts, get them through hard work and not through marriage and dowry whenever something happens that makes you sad. Ask yourself if you would care if it happened to someone else. The sooner you say goodbye, the safer you will be. Smart girls like to hear that they are good. Looking and pretty girls like to hear that they are smart. The biggest problem is that we listen to someone to respond and not to understand. Never argue with an idiot. They will bring you down to their level and beat you with experience. The roast lesson is always taught by the most loved person. Don't make discussion when you are angry. Don't make promise when you are happy. When you don't have a shoulder to cry on, put your head on the ground and cry. Happiness is a choice and everything else is a matter of perspective. Love of an unloved person is also considered. Lust and lust of a loved one is also considered love. It is better than having the entire Quran in your pocket, even if there are only words of the Quran. But those verses are in your practice. Focus on people's result, not their intentions. When a person intends to commit a sin, he looks at everything right, left, forward, and back, but he does not look inside and above. Eliminate your worries completely lest they come back. With a weekend, 9 out of 10 problems comes from laziness and carelessness. Never make anyone a priority. It only makes you an option. People walk away from mud so that their clothes don't get dirty. And mud has this idea that people are afraid of it. Use the tools of gratitude to make yourself appear powerful. Your peace of mind is most valuable. If the grass is greener on the other sides, there is probably more fertilizer. When someone knocks on the door of your heart, don't open the door immediately. Some people have habits like children and run away after knocking. Seal the calls before they ignite. Sometimes it is wise to keep quiet even when you know a lot. Relationships of goodwill are thin threads, where relationships of mutual interest are like chains of steel. The last person that comes to your mind just before you go to sleep is what makes you happy or sad. Be hopeful but prepare for the roast. A man is also strange. He does not marry someone he meets quickly. and marries him like someone else meets secretly. The world will follow you if you adopt these three principles: faith, discipline, and selfless dedication. Be careful, and life will be easy. Focus your energies on a single goal: to see the true potential of your power. Generally, men find the same woman as immoral. Focus your energies on a single goal: to see the true potential of your power. Generally, men find the same woman as immoral who are laughing and talking to someone else instead of them. Think 100 times before taking any decision. But when you take a decision, stick to it. If someone around you is in distress or suffering, do not think that it is his or her trial. It is also your trial.